bring about whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Always do your best. Express your own divinity. You don't need the acceptance of others. You don't need knowledge or great philosophical concepts. You have the right to be you and express your own divinity by being alive, loving yourself and loving others. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 24, NASDAQ up 56, S&P's up 4.5, gold contract down $2.70, trading $18.96 an ounce. You got silver off 24 cents, $27.77 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 98 cents, $70.21 a barrel, notes and bonds. 10-year note up 10 ticks, trading 133.11. The 30-year up 25 at 159.19 in King Dollar. King Dollar's up 133 ticks, trading out at 90.082. The euro is at 121. The yen's at 109.48, and the British pound is at 141 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Well, you got a market, folks, that's not backing off. You got the SPY laying up here. Doesn't have volume. You only get 31 million shares, so we'll probably do 50 million. That being said, guess what? You're coming into the end of the week. Well, today's Wednesday, right? Tuesday. What day is today? I should know that. Bottom line, you're coming into the highs. You're laying at the highs. And that's saying that, guess what? This baby wants to break topside. So we'll see how this baby shakes out. You're going to need more juice. There's no two ways about that in order to break topside. And we'll see whether we get it. You look at the NDX 100. We take a look at the NDX. What the NDX has done out here. So we're 20 million shares inside the NDX. It just went into the spike of 339.29. Now, any close that's over 336, and we're at 337.25, is saying, guess what? You're not only going to go there, but then it's saying that you have gained once again to the very highs, which is going to be pretty amazing. Now, that's 342, and you're at 337. The small caps. Let's go take a look at the small caps out here. The IWM. We take a look at the small caps, and when you're looking at the small caps, this baby is going far its highs. You're at 233. 234.53 is the number. Now, the difference in the small caps is that the small caps have volume behind the move, man. So this is saying quite a bit. What this is also saying, folks, is that inside of the small caps, you have a huge amount of commodity equities, and that's saying that commodities are basically going to continue to go at a higher price. It's going to get really intriguing if we blow away the 234.53 inside of the small caps, because if this is ever an ABC structure in the way up, folks, okay, it's going to be pretty intense, because the leg is pretty amazing. The leg meaning that when we finally got to the highs inside the small caps, which took forever, and then all of a sudden it just took a leg. And with the leg we're talking about that it took a leg from 153 to 229. And it just didn't stop. That's the real bottom line. And as our targets and targets are saying out here, there's no doubt that your gambling stocks are basically in the small caps also. If we go take a look at GameStop, bottom line, that's up $17. You can take a look at AMC. Bottom line, that's trading out at $53. That's down $1 today, but they both are in the Russell 2000. What is going to happen, which is going to be interesting, it's going to be interesting to see when they turn around and rebalance that area. That's going to be something else. Now, out here today, you get another Reddit stock and you talk about folks getting toasted and roasted. Oh, man, this is freaking intense. So you had a $10 stock that went to $24 today, and is a 36% short position. So the Reddit boys and girls caught on to this. It didn't take much to basically run this baby and run it up in an incredible way. And, my take on this, folks, okay, is that this is only just starting. This is not going to basically, be over. Because why? Because it's successful. That's what it comes down to. If you remember, depending on how long you've been around, years ago, let's see, what was that, 1996 to about 98, whatever, there was a guy on CNBC that used to give a stock pick out every day. He finally ended up getting grabbed by the SEC because he was giving it to other people first or something. That phenomenon lasted for a couple of years, and that was only one stock pick. What Reddit has together is that they have a huge amount of traders together. The bottom line is that, guess what? They can run anything they want. That's the real bottom line. And Dorfman, thank you. Yes, it was Dan Dorfman. That's right. Dan Dorfman. And if you were ever around at that time, this is what used to happen, folks, okay? The bottom line, traders right across probably the country would sit at their desk. They'd wait for that basically to come out. They'd hit the button, and simultaneously you'd hit the button, you'd buy and you'd sell that stock at the same time. And at that particular point, check this out. At that particular point in time, people were paying commissions going in and out, $35 to $50 going in and going back out and still making money. You can imagine now, none of us pay any commissions. It's a field day. And guess what? It's the brave new world inside the Reddit traders, and that's not going to change. That's absolutely not going to change. And so the folks that go short positions, if they have a large position, they have to, I don't know what they have to do, man, because they're going to be in tough shape. There's no two ways about that. Notes and bonds. Let's go take a look at note and bond market, because this one's hard to wrap my head around, man. You know, I'm bullish notes and bonds, yet I think inflation's raging. So it's like, okay, man, can you have both? Well, the market's saying you can have both too, and I haven't figured that out in my head yet. Let's put it that way. The bottom line is that technically this is a break topside, and it's a break in spades. That's saying that the 10-year wants to run to 134, and right now you're at 132.14. We go take a look at the 30-year. Let's bring the 30-year up. Let's see. I don't want the generic one. Yes. Okay, so that's not the one I want. Yeah, that's going to break into. The 30 is breaking topside too. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.